speed control of three-phase induction motor by stator voltage control. For that, we have to connect the circuit. Here you can see we have a three-phase 400 volt 50 Hz supply connected to the stator of delta connected three-phase induction motor. And this is the rotor and this is the stator winding supply is connected to the stator. For measuring the voltage, we have connected a 0 to 500 volt voltmeter in parallel. And for measuring the current, we have connected a 0 to 10 ampere ammeter in series with the line. Now for measuring the speed of three-phase induction motor, we are using a tachometer. Tachometer is a device which is used for measuring the speed of three-phase induction motor or any motor for that matter. It is connected to the shaft and it will measure the speed in RPM. RPM which is revolution per minute. The basic formula is that the speed of three-phase induction motor is directly proportional to the square of the applied potential. So it means what? If we increase the value of voltage or stator voltage, then there will be a corresponding increase in the rotor speed. So now we are going to the setup. Guys, this is the experimental setup. This is the three-phase induction motor on which we will perform the experiment. This is the auto transformer, this is the voltmeter and this is the ammeter. Now let me explain you the connection diagram. So here you can see the 3 points R, Y and B here. The supply is coming from these 3 terminals to the input of the auto transformer. And the output of the auto transformer is connected to the three-phase induction motor by means of a ammeter. So what will ammeter do? Ammeter is connected in the series and it will measure the line current. And for measuring the voltage, we have connected a voltmeter directly to the supply in parallel. So this is the circuit diagram. Now we will perform the experiment. For performing the experiment, I am first of all switching on the supply. So by means of this MCB, I am switching on the supply. Here you can see the 3 lights are glowing. It means all the 3 phases are coming to the panel. Now this is the auto transformer. As you know, the function of auto transformer is to convert fixed 3-phase AC supply into variable supply. So I will increase the voltage gradually and there will be a corresponding increase in the voltage. And then we will take the readings. So what we are doing, we are increasing the voltage till 200 volt. Then we will take the first reading. Then at 250 we will take second reading. At 300 we will take third reading and so on till 400 will take all the readings. This is the tachometer which is used for measuring the speed. Here we have 2 settings, one for linear displacement and other one is for RPM. So we are measuring the speed in RPM. So I am putting this to RPM. This is a red switch by which we use the supply. Now this pointer is connected to the shaft of the 3-phase induction motor and then we have the reading. So we'll take it later. First of all, I am increasing the voltage. So I will move this pointer and there will be corresponding increase in the voltage. First of all, I will increase the voltage till 200 and then we will take first reading at 200. So I am moving this pointer and then you can see the increase in the voltage. So now this voltage is 200 volt. At 200 volt, I am measuring the speed. Here you can see at 200 volt, the speed is 1436 RPM. That's it. That is your first. Now I will increase this voltage again till 250 volt. And then we'll take our second reading at 250. Here you can see this is 250 volt. I'll repeat the process again. I'll take the reading at 250 volt. Here you can see at 250 volt the speed is 1462 RPM. Now I'll increase the voltage till 300 volt. Okay, at 300 volt, I'll again measuring the speed. It is 1472 volts. And now slowly we will increase the voltage and take the various readings, and the will go till 400 volt, because 400 is the rated volt. So this is 400 volt, and we'll take our final reading at 400 volt. At 400 volt, the speed is 1482 watt. Now I am switching off the supply and reducing the voltage to 0. What we have to do now, we have to plot a curve between voltage, applied potential at the stator, and this speed. And this curve will be a parabolic curve. So this is the experiment, speed control of 3-phase induction motor by stator voltage control method. Thank you everyone.